Thank you for joining us on another Morale Moment. Today, we're going to talk about how to run the room. And as your host, I will tell you that it's difficult to run a room. And as being a business owner, and being somebody who's been through so many events, we're talking about clubbing, we're talking about business meetings, we're talking about everything in between. I'm going to tell you how to run a room. First thing is, know what you're getting into. If you're going to a club, you have to be prepared. Okay, do I want to dress like this? Do I want to look like that? How do I want to come off? Make sure you have a few extra bucks in your pocket to tip the waitress. Make sure you keep a little gum in your pocket to talk to a chick. These are different things that you know that you're going to get into. Now, it's not as easy as putting on a button up or sticking your hair. Even though if you need a good product, check out our City Sticker website. We have everything that you guys need. It's a little more difficult. The way that you look and the way that you want to look is two different things. So the way that you look, okay, button-up shirt, but do you have the extra $200-300 to go to a high-class place that requires a button-up shirt to get in? That's on you. Now, if you do, and I would suggest it for everyone. Me and my good friend used to go out at least once a year to the city, and we're spending hundreds of bucks just going to this place, that place, but we did it once a year, and it was a great time. And these are things that we look back at now, but it helped us reach another level. Instead of going to your local dive bar where all your friends are hanging out that you've known since high school. So I tell you this, when you're ready to change up the scene and you know what look you're going for, then know your objective. And that's number 2. Know your objective. If you're going to a club and your whole thing is, hey, I want to get laid tonight, okay, well, then you do what you need to do to get laid. Is that, just buy a shot for a random guy or girl? No. Because I feel like it's a little played out. If you want to run the room, know your objective and go in there, and something as simple as walking in and saying hi to everybody that you meet opens up so many doors. You figure if you say hi to the waitress, if you say hi to this person over here on the dance floor, if you say hi to the guy in the VIP, simple things. A little toast in the air, point the finger, smile. People might bump into you. Hey, a little pat on the back. It's all right, bud. Have a great night. And next thing you know, you'll be cool with everybody in the room. It brings me to point number 3. Look for the boss. Because the boss knows everyone and everything. And if you're cool with him and people see you even talking to him, even if it's, hey, great place you have here, that's going to be a door opener for you for so many other things. He might say, hey, you know what? Where are you guys sitting at? Or let me get you a drink. And I tell you this, it's happened so many times. And because of those relationships, it opens doors that the next time you go in, you're not going to be waiting in line. Final thing that's going to change everybody's life. Be the center of attention. Now you say, Josh, how do you say anything, be the center of attention, blah, blah, blah? That's nuts. I know, but hear me out. Whether you're in a club or whether you're in a networking event for your business, you can be the center of attention. If you're in a club, hey, you and your friend are there, go to the middle dance floor, do your 1-2, and next thing you know, all that positive energy will draw people towards you, and you'll be the center of attention. If you're in a networking event, what you can simply do is go around, be the social butterfly. I know it sucks. I know it sucks to have to step out of your comfort zone, but the satisfaction of being able to meet a new person, hand out a business card, and make a new connection, that tomorrow when you wake up, all that fear will be gone. One thing I will say, and here's a little bonus tip, when you do go out and you do know what you get into, and you do know your objective, and you do know who the boss is, and you do become the center of attention, make sure you don't make the fatal flaw of being that guy that gets a little too drunk. Handle yourself. Know that you're going in there for a reason. Make sure at all times that you maintain a control over yourself and that you keep your eye focused on the goal. Everybody wants to hang out with the guy having a great time. Nobody wants to be around the guy that's asking questions, that's a nag. Be secure in who you are. Be confident. And if you don't know how to be confident, we do have some videos about that. Check them out on the link below. And I promise you, these things will help change your life. So remember, to get ahead and to get where you want to go, do it the right way, but learn how to run the room. And that was another Morale Moment. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope to see you soon. Please comment and like below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. You guys have been great. I really want to hear what you guys think. Please like, comment below, give me different ideas, different subjects that you guys want to hear about, and always check out our links that we have because they're just for you guys.